Hey guys, what's going on? I'm George and this is You Wanna Watch. This week's project is a nesting screwdriver. I say we jump right into it. I'm pretty excited about this. Let's go. Look how cool that little thing is. It's so small I don't think it's even gonna focus. Alright. Yeah, you can't see any of those. Alright, I say we just start cleaning it up. Guy came out good too. Ow! Damn thing hurts. Cap came out nice too. So the wire wheeling did a pretty good job on it. It's not perfect, but it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna hit it with some 220 and I'm gonna sand down the screwdriver itself, trying to get a little better look to it, because it just looks real pitted. I don't know if they just use crap, but it does. It just looks real pitted. But yeah, that's pretty cool. What do you think? And that's my attempt at reprofiling it. I mean, it didn't come out as good as the other fellers that I've seen do it, but hey, for never doing it before, not bad. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this video. A couple of pieces of sandpaper, a little tiny file, and the wire wheel, and I think it came out all right. Not bad for my first time. I do have a couple of facets in the blade. Hey, what do you do? But all in all, I'm quite happy with it. Came out pretty good. So, like always guys, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another video. All right, bye.